John. On the bass guitar there is Milo. On the electric guitar there is Shervin, and for the very first time Keith. We are performing Song 2 by Blur. I hope you enjoy.
One, two, three, four. So their focus again, as Bucky said on, is to learn how to play their notes at the same time as their friends in their band. Now, they managed to learn all four of their notes on their instruments. I just want to point out on our guitars, they really need to use really good motor skills. So they have to squeeze their fingers in one hand while playing at the same time and moving them around as well, which can be really tricky. On our drums, we had a really fast drum beat, feet and hands and some synth. It got faster as the song went on, so in the verse he played slowly, and then in the chorus he doubled his speed. For our other drummer, we started using our feet this time, and also some really big drum fills. Can we give it up for our band?